Did you know that almost 99% of blurry vision after 60 isn't just age? It's often caused by missing nutrients, poor night vision, and dry eyes that stop repairing while you sleep. Meet Evelyn, a 72-year-old grandmother who loved driving to see her grandkids. One night, headlights from oncoming cars looked like bright halos, and her blurry vision made her pull over in fear. The next morning, she still had blurry eyes, especially in her left eye. Her doctor at Mayo Clinic told her the cause of blurred vision wasn't just aging. It was missing nutrients that keep the eyes repairing at night. Evelyn had what many seniors experience: weak night vision, dry eyes, and tired lenses. She'd tried new glasses, over-the-counter drops, and even upgraded her vision insurance, but the problem came back. According to Cleveland Clinic, when your eyes don't get enough antioxidants, circulation slows and blurring of vision in one eye or both becomes common. Doctors explain that dry eye and lack of vitamin A, lutein, and omega-3s can interrupt the eye's natural repair cycle during sleep. This leads to vision changes, glare at night, or that familiar blurry vision headache when reading small print. The good news? Research from Johns Hopkins and the National Eye Institute shows that certain bedtime foods can trigger retinal repair while you rest, a simple form of vision care that supports long-term eye health and reduces the reason for blurry vision. In this video, we'll reveal 8 bedtime foods proven to repair your eyes overnight. No surgery, no expensive medicine, just smart vision care for better eye health and stronger independence after 60. Stay with me because the #1 food might surprise you. Let's start with something simple and familiar: sweet potatoes. They're not just comfort food, they're one of the best natural tools to fix blurry vision naturally, especially for seniors. The Mayo Clinic confirms that vitamin A deficiency is a common cause of blurred vision and even night vision problems. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to keep the retina healthy and prevent blurry eyes when reading or driving at night. When Evelyn added 1 medium sweet potato to her dinner 4 times a week, her blurry vision in the morning started to fade. Her doctor noticed stronger results on her next eye test, proof that real food can be more effective than costly vision supplements or extra medicine. Bake or steam sweet potatoes with the skin on and a teaspoon of coconut oil. That small step boosts absorption 4-fold, helping restore clear vision without surgery or new glasses. This simple change supports long-term vision health and strengthens your natural eye defenses against blurring of vision caused by aging or dry eyes. But what if there's a food that works even faster overnight? Let's move to number 7. Next is a small fruit with powerful benefits: goji berries. Studies from the National Eye Institute show these berries are rich in zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that protects the retina from damage and supports clear vision as we age. Many seniors notice blurry vision in the morning or mild blurring of vision in one eye after reading under bright lights. The reason, according to the Mayo Clinic, is often a lack of protective pigments in the eyes. A group of adults over 60 who ate a small handful of goji berries 5 times a week improved their night vision and reduced blurry eyes after just 3 months. These berries help prevent dry eyes, one of the most common causes of blurry vision among older adults. To get the most benefit, soak 1 ounce of goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes before bedtime. That simple habit supports eye health, strengthens your retina, and reduces vision problems naturally. Evelyn now keeps a small jar of dried goji berries near her kitchen counter. They became her favorite evening snack: tasty, easy, and effective. If you want lasting vision improvement without expensive vision insurance or risky surgery, this simple food can help your eyes stay strong and maintain clear vision well into your 70s. Eggs are one of the simplest and most effective foods for seniors dealing with blurry vision or night vision issues. According to research from the Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins, eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 essential nutrients that protect the retina and lens from light damage, the silent cause of blurred vision for millions of older adults. These nutrients work like built-in sunglasses, helping prevent blurry eyes after exposure to bright screens or sunlight. Evelyn used to wake up with blurry vision in one eye, especially after reading at night. Her doctor suggested adding 2 boiled eggs to dinner 3 times a week. Within weeks, her blurry vision and mild blurry vision headache improved noticeably. This is because lutein increases macular pigment density, improving clear vision and reducing vision problems caused by aging or dry eyes. For the best results, eat soft-boiled or poached eggs instead of fried. This keeps the lutein intact and helps your body absorb more nutrients. Combined with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, eggs support long-term vision health and make it easier to fix blurry vision naturally without relying solely on medicine or expensive vision insurance. Simple, affordable, and effective. That's smart vision care for life after 60. Coming in at number 5 is wild salmon, one of the best natural foods for eye health and long-term vision improvement. Doctors from the Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic confirm that omega-3 fatty acids in salmon strengthen the retina and reduce inflammation, 2 hidden causes of blurry vision and night vision decline among seniors. Low omega-3 levels can lead to dry eyes, eye spots in vision, and even blurry vision in one eye, especially after long hours of reading or watching TV. Evelyn replaced her fried chicken dinners with grilled salmon twice a week. Within a month, her blurry eye vision eased, and she no longer woke up asking, "Why is my vision blurry this morning?" Omega-3s also help prevent blurry vision headache caused by digital screens or blue light exposure. When paired with vitamin D and vitamin E, salmon acts as a natural shield against vision loss in one eye and supports clear vision over time. For best results, choose wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Add a slice of lemon and a touch of olive oil, no heavy sauces. This simple habit supports healthy tears, improves night vision, and helps fix blurry vision naturally. Real food, real vision care, and no expensive medicine or vision insurance needed. Next is bilberries, often called the eye berries of Europe. Research from Johns Hopkins and the Mayo Clinic shows they're rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help the eyes adapt to darkness and prevent blurry vision while driving at night. During World War II, British pilots ate bilberry jam to sharpen their night vision, and modern studies confirm it still works. Evelyn started taking a small handful of bilberries before bed. Within weeks, her blurry eye vision while reading under a lamp improved noticeably. These berries reduce the cause of blurred vision by protecting the retina's tiny blood vessels from aging and blue light damage. They also improve blood flow to the macula, helping seniors maintain clear vision and sharper focus. For best results, choose unsweetened bilberry powder or capsules. They're among the best supplements for vision if fresh fruit isn't available. Combined with other foods that increase eye vision, bilberries can lower your risk of vision loss in one eye and blurring of vision caused by poor circulation or dry eyes. Just 1 serving a day can help fix blurry vision naturally and strengthen your eyes against cataract, glaucoma, and other vision problems common after 60. At number 3, we have saffron, a golden spice proven to improve eye health and prevent blurry vision caused by aging. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic have found that saffron's active compounds, crocin and quercetin, enhance blood flow to the retina and help protect photoreceptor cells from damage. This is especially helpful for seniors dealing with blurry vision in one eye or reduced night vision while driving. Evelyn added a small pinch of saffron to her warm milk before bed, as her doctor, eye health specialist, suggested. Within a month, she noticed her eye blurring vision and light sensitivity improving. Saffron helps reverse the cause of blurred vision by reducing oxidative stress, one of the main reasons for blurry vision and vision problems in older adults. A study from the Journal of Ophthalmology found that people who took 20 milligrams of saffron daily showed measurable vision improvement in just 6 weeks. Unlike medicine or vision supplements, saffron is gentle and natural. Mix a pinch into milk or tea 30 minutes before sleep to boost clear vision, reduce dry eyes, and support long-term vision care. It's a simple bedtime ritual that helps fix blurry vision naturally and keep your eyes strong for years to come. Number 2 is black currants, a powerful fruit that supports eye health and protects against blurry vision linked to poor circulation. The Mayo Clinic explains that the deep purple color comes from anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation in the retina and help maintain clear vision in aging eyes. Black currants also contain gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which strengthens the small blood vessels that feed your eyes and prevent blurring of vision or dry eyes, two common vision problems among seniors. Evelyn began adding 1 tablespoon of black currant jam to her oatmeal at night. Within weeks, her blurry eye vision and eye fatigue decreased, and she noticed fewer blurry vision headaches in the morning. According to the National Eye Institute, this fruit may also help reduce one-eye foggy vision, end early symptoms of glaucoma, protecting against vision loss in one eye. To boost absorption, pair black currants with a source of vitamin E like almonds or walnuts. This simple food combination works better than most vision supplements and can help fix blurry vision naturally. Regular use supports long-term vision improvement, sharpens night vision, and enhances your eye's ability to adapt between light and dark, a key to keeping clear vision after 60. Finally, the number 1 bedtime food for clear vision and strong eye health is raw cacao. Yes, the same ingredient found in dark chocolate. Researchers from Johns Hopkins and the Mayo Clinic found that cacao is packed with flavonoids, especially epicatechin, which boosts blood flow to the retina and protects against blurry vision caused by oxidative stress. This makes it one of the most powerful foods that increase eye vision for seniors. Evelyn drinks a cup of warm cacao mixed with almond milk before bed. Within 2 weeks, her blurry eye vision while reading at night almost disappeared. Cacao helps repair damaged cells and improves oxygen delivery, reducing the reason for blurry vision and that annoying blurry vision headache many older adults feel after screen time. It's a natural way to fix blurry vision naturally without depending on heavy medicine or expensive vision supplements. To prepare it, use 1 tablespoon of pure, unsweetened cacao powder. Add warm milk and stir with a touch of honey. Drink it 30 minutes before sleep to activate your eye's natural healing cycle. This simple bedtime habit supports better vision care, sharper night vision, and long-term vision improvement, helping your eyes stay bright and healthy well into your 70s. You don't need expensive medicine, endless vision supplements, or premium vision insurance to keep your eyesight clear after 60. What your eyes truly need is consistent nourishment, the right foods, and better nighttime habits. The Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic both confirm that simple dietary changes can slow or even reverse the causes of blurry vision, especially for seniors struggling with dry eyes, blurry eye vision, or night vision decline. Evelyn's story is proof. After adding these 8 foods to her evening routine, eggs, salmon, sweet potatoes, bilberries, saffron, and a warm cup of cacao, her blurry vision in one eye improved dramatically. She could read clearly again, drive safely, and no longer ask, "Why is my vision blurry?" Her next peer vision eye exam showed stronger focus and better color contrast, all achieved naturally. If you often wake up with blurry vision in the morning, have blurry vision headaches, or feel your eyes get tired easily, start with 1 small change tonight. Pick just 1 of these bedtime foods and commit to it for 7 days. You might be surprised how your vision improvement begins without costly treatments. Your eyes can heal at any age, they just need the right support. So tell me in the comments, which of these 8 foods will you start with tonight? If you found this video helpful, Like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been struggling with blurring of vision or wants to fix blurry vision naturally, because clear, confident sight is something every senior deserves. If you've made it this far, it means you truly care about your eye health, and that already sets you apart. Many seniors think blurry vision or night vision problems are just part of aging, but the Mayo Clinic reminds us that small, consistent changes can protect the eyes and even restore clear vision naturally. You don't need fancy procedures or high-cost vision insurance. Your kitchen can become your first line of vision care. Evelyn once feared losing her independence because of blurry vision in one eye. Today, she enjoys reading again and walks confidently without worrying about blurring of vision or eye spots in vision. Her secret wasn't luck, it was commitment. She followed simple health tips, added nutrient-rich foods, and practiced light eye exercises to improve vision before bed. If you've been wondering, why is my vision blurry when I wake up? Or, can food really help me see better? Now you know the answer. Yes, it can. Start tonight. Choose one bedtime food, hydrate well, and rest your eyes from screens. Each night, your body repairs, and your eyes deserve that same care. If this message gave you hope, click subscribe, leave a comment, and share your journey. Tell us, which food will you try first to fix blurry vision naturally and protect your vision health? Because every small step you take today brings you closer to lasting, clear vision tomorrow. If you struggled with blurry vision in the morning, blurry vision headache, or that uncomfortable eye blurry vision while reading at night, this is your sign to act. Don't wait for your next Pro Vision eye exam to hear bad news. Small changes, like adding omega-3s, lutein, and vitamins for vision, can help fix blurry vision naturally and prevent further vision loss in one eye. And remember, your eyes don't just age, they respond to how you treat them. Take care of them with good sleep, light eye exercises, and real food. That's the best form of health care and vision improvement there is. So before you leave, tell me in the comments, which of these bedtime foods will you try tonight to protect your vision health? Hit subscribe, share this with a friend who's struggling with blurring of vision, and let's help every senior see the world with confidence and lasting clear vision again.